Today I'm going to show you how to get HDR CC in CapCut on PC, step by step. So you can give your video a clean, brighter, more cinematic look in just a few minutes. This is a really simple edit, but it can make a big difference if you want your footage to stand out and look more polished. If this tutorial helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more CapCut tips, editing tutorials, and simple workflow guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut on your PC. Once CapCut loads, you'll want to start a new project or open the project you want to work on. Now import your HDR video into CapCut. You can usually do this by dragging and dropping the file into the media panel or by using the import button if you prefer. After your video is imported, drag it down onto the timeline so you can start editing it. Make sure the clip is placed properly and that it is selected before moving to the next step. This is important because the effect needs to be applied to the correct clip. Once your clip is on the timeline, click on the video layer so it becomes highlighted. Now go up to the top bar and click on Effects. In the Effects search bar, type HDR. CapCut should show you different HDR style effects or color enhancements that match what you're looking for. Choose the HDR effect that fits your video best, then apply it to the clip. As soon as you add it, you should see the look of your video change with stronger highlights, better contrast, and that more vibrant HDR style finish. After that, go to the timeline and adjust the effect duration so it covers the whole video. You do not want the HDR effect to stop halfway through the clip, so make sure the effect bar stretches across the full length of your footage. If needed, drag the edge of the effect layer until it matches the full video duration. This ensures the HDR look stays consistent from start to finish. Once everything is lined up, play back the video and check the result. If the effect feels too strong or too weak, you can adjust the settings or try a different HDR variation until it looks right for your footage. And that's it. You've successfully added HDR CC in CapCut and extended it across the entire clip. It's a fast and easy way to upgrade the look of your edit without needing advanced color grading skills. If this video helped you out, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next CapCut tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.